The history of this site is pretty remarkable. We've had manufacturing in this site, this ground, for over 100 years. Back in 1916, this location was the Michigan Stamping Company. Briggs Manufacturing bought the plant in 1920. Then in 1953, that's when Chrysler Corporation came in and purchased Briggs Manufacturing and acquired the Mack property. Chrysler continued stamping on this site until the late 80s, and then there was a period of time when there was no production. From late 1991 to 1995, the Dodge Viper was produced here before it was moved to the Mack Avenue assembly plant. Then construction of Mack engine began in 1996. And in the year 2000, Mack Engine 2 was completed and produced engines until it was idled in September of 2012. Then it was in 2019 when we finished production of the engines and began retooling.
When we first started this project, it was an existing engine manufacturing site here at Mack 1. And so really we had to look at how do we fit an assembly plant onto an existing site with the challenge of having Mack 1 running production for the Pentastar engine. So with the constraints of working around production ending, moving to another facility, and then getting all of the construction done and ready really in less than 2 years to complete this entire project and be building the new vehicle, it was a huge undertaking.
Utilization of 2 existing buildings, 1 new one added, and now we have a fully functional assembly plant. It's quite amazing.